I bought an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies, and we're checking out bin number 62. It's paper day again. I'm excited. Paper day is my favorite day, and we are starting off with some beautiful Christmas paper, which is kind of perfect because we're celebrating a Christmas in July here at our shop. If you are new here, my name is Stephanie. I own a secondhand art and craft supply shop called Bottom of the Bin. We trade in our customers' leftover supplies for store credit. That way we can keep art supplies and craft supplies affordable and accessible for all. And like I said, we recently bought an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies. We've been unbinning them one at a time, and we are getting down towards the end here, but there are still lots to go, so definitely stick around. Looks like there's some more Christmas here. This is by the Paper Studio, and it's called A Country Christmas. Ooh, I bet this one's gonna be really fun. Oh, we've got some solids to start with. Oh wait, are they all solids? Oh, wait, I wasn't expecting that. There's patterns on the front. Maybe there's some mixed in. It is. Wait, I haven't seen many books like this where it's solids in the back and then patterns in the front. Is that common maybe with this brand? Yeah. Oh, look, there's some pretty hearts, some reds. We've got some Santas and Christmas trees, some cool different patterns. Oh my gosh. That almost looks like a quilt. Oh, well, that was pretty cool. Unexpected surprise. And then it looks like we're diving straight into summer because I see some pineapples and, ooh, bananas and a parrot or a parakeet. I don't know, a bird of some sort. Whoa, hold on. Go back. Ooh, okay, this is definitely giving the tropical vibes and the Florida vibes. We've got some pineapples, pretty blue color. Aw, the border has the flamingos there and some cool leaves. These flip throughs are harder than they look. The sliced pineapple, that's kind of cool. You don't see that too often. Ooh, the flamingos are really pretty with that giant leaf. I forgot what those are called. And some palm trees in a sunset. Okay, this is really pretty. Oh my gosh, this one has sentiments. I love, well, actually they're tags. I love when there's matching like tags or sentiments or cutouts to go with the paper. There's the bananas, more flamingos, more flowers. The pink pineapple, that's actually really cute. Lots of fun colors in this one. Oh my gosh, look at those birdies. I always say I want like more bird stuff in my crafting, but this will be safe, don't worry. I will leave this for someone else. I definitely do more of like the shabby chic and vintage style greeting cards, so I don't really take a lot of things that I don't need. Oh, there we go. There's some cool sentiments and some little like note cards. That was a pretty fun one. This one is gigantic, and it may or may not be Christmas as well. I can't really tell. Okay, looks like maybe this is going to be some solids. Yes, the solid textures on the top. And some patterns. Yeah, there's some like, whoa. These are not easy to flip through. But there's some backgrounds. There's some pinks and mauve and purple. Ooh, is it rainbow? It is. Look. It goes red, orange. Oh my gosh, that's so satisfying. I wish I could flip through this one easy. Yellow, green, and then you got your, well, I guess turquoise, blues, and then purple, and then pink. That's how I do my rainbow, exactly in that order. So yeah, that's kind of fun. Let me see if I could get like a mini flip at least. Oh, and then there's a bunch of neutrals in the back. Oh my gosh, my face is covered, but that's okay. You're here for the paper, right? You're here for the paper, kinda. I kind of flipped through it. Oh, this one looks exciting already. I see some K&Co, which seems to be a popular one here at our shop. People are always looking for it. It's usually double-sided. Oh, this one's not. The ones that I've seen have been double-sided, and they just have such beautiful prints and designs. This is also a bit bigger than normal. It says Best of Brenda Walton Paper Pad. Oh, okay. So it's actually... it's more paper-y than cardstocky. But let's see if we could do a flip of this one. Ooh, those are some fun summer colors and pastels. We have some vintage as well. Ooh, love those sentiments. There is, oh my gosh, some beautiful flowers. It's a best of, so it's not like all one theme. But I'm super into the florals, so of course, this is really exciting for me. Here, you kind of see my face here too. Oh, that's cute. It says beautiful dreamer. Ooh, these are so soft and beautiful. I love that. Oh my gosh, I'm like obsessed with florals and butterflies. It's like totally my aesthetic right there. Florals and butterflies for the win. And then there are some more modern looking ones. Ooh, I can see why this is the best of. This is definitely a nice selection, ooh, vintage, of a bunch of different styles. And I could see someone thoroughly enjoying these. Super cute. Oop. I ripped the top off. But look at these lanterns. Oh my gosh, those paper lanterns are so precious. Okay, this one's totally falling apart, but this says the Shimmer stack, new colors. I love to see that these are all coming apart because it shows that she actually used some of these, which is awesome. I do love a good shimmer. There's a pretty purple, a nice green. Ooh, there's like a burnt orange, light blue, a little bit of a darker blue, and some more greeny colors. Well, I guess that's kind of silver. It depends. It can look green or silver, but that is a fun one. Definitely a good basic to have in your collection. And then there is the metallic premium stack. 48 sheets. I don't think this is a full book, but ooh, these are nice colors too. Oh my gosh, I love that lilac. There's nice pewter, a beautiful dark orange, almost like a mustard yellow, and some blues. It looks like there might have been some other colors that she used, so it is not a complete book, but again, I love seeing that some of this was used. Yeah, I don't see the pink in there, my favorite color. Oh, this is exciting. Translucent Ultra Vellum. So vellum is pretty cool if you've never worked with it before. It's like a very sheer paper, and it almost gives like a milky effect when you put it over something. I actually have printed my own vintage designs, not mine, but printed vintage designs onto vellum paper myself to create my own for vintage journaling and things like that. So that is always good to have. And then this is some sort of pattern of some sort on some grid paper. So yeah, there's some grid paper. There is some more vellum, and this one says clear translucent. I assume that is pretty much like vellum as well. Yep, looks like it. Ooh, Tim Holtz. I know we have a lot of Tim Holtz fans. There we go, Ideology, and this is the Craft Glassine. I'm actually not familiar with that. Let's see if we can take a little peek in here. I'm curious. I'm definitely a Tim Holtz fan myself. And oh, wow. It's taped shut, but it's just, it looks like old book pages. That's really cool. Oh my gosh, I love them. And they feel, I don't know, they feel like a thinner paper, but they're textured as well. I think that is a great find, and people are probably going to fight over this one. And speaking of good old Tim Holtz, this is called grunge paper. It says it's good for ink, sewing, and creating. It's pretty much like a thin cardboard in my opinion. There's like a little sample piece here, but yeah, that's pretty cool. Also really versatile, especially with things like mixed media. Then we have some frosted shrink plastic, the art of rubber stamping. So it says that you can stamp the design and then color it and cut it and shrink it and hole punch it. Oh, so you can make like jewelry and stuff. Wow, actually that's pretty neat. I don't know if people do stuff like that anymore, but maybe we will find someone who wants to. This is interesting. This is napkins, but it looks like she has already kind of glued them on to a thinner cardstock, maybe to kind of make her own collages. Again, I love those birds. Oh my gosh, I love birds so much. I'm curious to know what she was doing with these, but nice to see that they're kind of prepped and ready to go. I mean, I guess it makes sense if you don't want to decoupage the napkins, but you still want to use them to put them on a cardstock like this. So yeah, pretty interesting. Nothing I've ever seen before, but I like it. Giving me ideas. It's all about the inspiration. Oh my gosh, that is so stinking pretty. I love the colors on that one. Wow, a fun way to use your napkins. We have some more translucent paper, and this is in the 12 by 12 sheets, which I haven't seen very many of, so that's probably a pretty good find. Oh, including this really pretty shimmery gold. That's gorgeous. It is from the Paper Company, and this one is Creative Paper's gift wrap. Looks like there's some green there, and this is honeycomb paper in blue. Tips and templates included. Honeycomb. Okay, cool. It says you can create unique designs with honeybee stencils, which are sold separately. Very nice. And then what is this? Fast track, permanent, patent pending. Was this photo paper maybe? Probably just photo paper. All right, next, this one is labeled cardstock in patterns in green, blue, and purple. Oh, it seems to be loose sheets. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely not going to be able to go through all of these, but let's grab a couple and take a look. Oh my gosh. Love those birds. We're finding a lot of birds. That's good and bad. I definitely don't need more paper, but when I'm one of those people who says I don't need more paper, and then I keep taking more paper. But honestly, my paper storage, which is the rainbow drawers behind me, are getting really full, so I definitely should use some more before I take more. But I mean, man, like I said, the birds are hard to find, and these woods are so nice. More birds. Oh my gosh, I might have to just take a couple and just, I don't know, swap it with something that I don't really use anymore. Because, oh my gosh, this is like the bird bin. How fun. Oh, these are so pretty. And butterflies. These colors are really nice. You usually don't see vintage very often done in these sort of brighter colors, so that is also something I'm kind of eyeing. There are some martini glasses. I said I wasn't going to go through all of these, but there's some different patterns here and here, and flowers. Gosh, she actually bought these individually. That's crazy. One of them is on clearance, it said, for $1/4, which is our everyday price for 12 by 12 loose sheets. And usually when we have the bin of the day paper, we'll do some sort of sale where we sell like an inch stack for $2. So keep an eye out for that if you are local. If you're not local, we do have an eBay. We don't actually put a lot of stuff on there right now because it's summer. It's a bit slower season, but hoping to put some more. There's definitely a few hundred items on there, at least, though, maybe 300 or 400. So if you are looking for something, go take a look and see if we have what you want. The link can be found at bottomofthebin.com. More blues, more blues. Oh gosh, I shouldn't be looking at these. I really like those. I might have to snag those as well. And let's see if I can kind of flip through the rest, maybe, kind of. I need like a paper flipping class. I need to brush up on my paper flipping skills. Yeah, that's not happening. Not today. Next we have some, collage paper. Let's see what we got brewing in here. Oh, what do I see? Do I see a little tomato? Bob, are you trying to take the paper stash again? I already told you, I get first dibs on the paper. I don't know, everyone say hi to Bob. Should I share with him? Maybe I'll let him get first pick this time. All right, so we've got, it looks like maybe some old wallpaper. This just feels like regular paper and cardstocks. Maybe it's not, well, maybe it was for collaging. It's kind of hard to tell. We've got lots of different blues and stripes and different patterns. Okay, this definitely feels more like wallpaper. I love those flowers and fruit. There's another one here with the roses and what is that, grapes, blueberries, cherries. Oh, this is kind of cool. This feels almost like wax paper, honestly. It feels like wax paper. Oh my gosh, hold on. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh, they're like, they feel like printed photos. I bet they're printed on photo paper. Those are gorgeous. I wonder where they're from. Oh, that's a little bag. That's cute though. I like the mushrooms and the radish. Not really sure what this is. Gift wrap. Oh, wow. That feels really nice. Nice and smooth paper. Oh my gosh, more birds. Why when I say I need birds, we find all the birds? I mean, that's great. I should be happy. I am happy. I feel bad taking stuff. Oh my gosh. Look at the cute little fishies and the starfish. That's adorable. That feels like some sort of wrapping paper as well. These are so cool. Again, you could tell she was using a lot of these because they're all cut up. Oh my gosh, look at those fish. It's beautiful. And then we have some Christmas, really fun. Oh my goodness, look at that. This is $12.99. I hope that wasn't for one sheet. Oh, this is really pretty. The flower show. Oh no, that's just an image. I don't know. What is this? It's not really a book, but this is my aesthetic for sure. Alpha stickers. Ooh, that's some cool vintage looking paper. Oh my gosh. Vintage Christmas. I don't know if these are actually vintage or, whoops, meant to look at 1994. I mean, that is technically vintage these days. Looks like she was cutting out little elements. Oh, there's more of that blue paper. Oh, I'm obsessed with teacups. Look at those. Oh gosh. Okay, I said I wasn't gonna take paper, but I'm gonna have to take a little bit. I'm gonna have to dig in. Or are those trains? That's kind of cool. I'm gonna have to dig in just a little bit here. Oh, that's fun as well. And just, you know, just keep a couple things. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Man, I feel like the scraps are more exciting than the books. Oh look, this one has like postage stamps. Oh my gosh, look at the kitty in the middle there. Okay, that was a really fun one. And this one says whites and neutrals. All right, probably not gonna pull all of these out because it's self-explanatory. It's whites and neutrals, some grays, brown and olive, creams and dark brown, and black. That'll do it for bin number 62. Make sure to follow or subscribe so you don't miss the next unbinning.